gin. Got a bad little bit count Benjamin girl always born to win. Got a shit in the trunk like an elephant. Yeah, sipping on water is elegant. Got what you need, I'm scaling it. Water again, get hit again. 762, go through your skeleton. Hell no, don't test.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jada Don checking back in with another video. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, today we will be doing the install, man. We're adding another mod to the V. So we got some side markers right here. Y'all know my side marker is busted on the driver's side. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. Got other things on the way too as well, but we just starting it off simple, man. Priority stuff that I need to do that's like minor nicks to the car. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment as well, subscribe if you're new as well, man. Subscribe to the channel. We on the way to 700 subs right now. Road to 1,000 though. We finna smack 1,000 real soon. But yeah, man, as you can see though, we gotta go pick up this part. So without further ado, we just gonna jump straight into the video. All right, YouTube, we back, man. As you can see, we made it to the destination. Feel me? We at Walmart right now. I actually already went inside. So got the tools we needed right here, you feel me? We can go ahead and get these hoes on right now, you feel me? And yeah, but I'm gonna catch y'all whenever we get there and we start the installation process. Anyways, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna see the finished product, man, no cap.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we currently taking the Pro Tool and snapping these little pins out. Already got the other side, but this the busted side marker right here. This the one that I really, and it wasn't no point in just getting one, so I just went ahead and got all four, replaced all four of them. And as y'all can see, my tires bald as shit too. It's like no tread over there on the inside. That bit bald as hell, like a basketball with no grip. The outer edge wall look good though, but it's only really because I need an alignment bad. My alignment is shot right now.
Stop playing.
Really going on almost a year having a car, so that's really why my alignment is really out, because I haven't had an alignment since I got a car. But yeah, we slapping these pins out right here. Got 1.5 down, got 2 1/4 to go. But that's the old one right there. This one, you see, I can turn the wheel off now. So all I gotta do is reach back there, you feel me? Hold on, let me get it in line for y'all. So the connector is right here. So this the connector that lights up the actual LED within the side marker. So it's 2 screws, probably one right there, maybe one right there, somewhere around in this area, but it's 2 screws. Unscrew those, pop them out, then you got yourself a side marker change. See, that's where the 2 screws were. You swap those out, unscrew them, pops right on out. This one like it was losing color too, just a tad bit. But out with these, got some newbies in. Just looking tough though. But yeah, that's the only thing we needed was that T25, because that's a real specific bolt that it needed to unscrew them out of the assembly and get them loose and let them pop out. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let y'all know the finished product. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so for the back, you ain't got enough of an angle with this wheel bending away, the rear tire, so you're gonna have to pop your bumper out in order to get to the rear side markers. Gonna apply the rears back here, gonna show y'all what that's gonna look like. But for now, we just got one in. She look clean.
I'm gonna come.
A few moments later.
So y'all can see, right side is done. Old side markers out. Now on to the last one. Got this one out. That's what the assembly look like. Snap it out. And we got that last one back there too.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, YouTube, we got a finished product, man, so I'm about to go ahead and show y'all what we looking like right now. Our current status on the V right now. Feel me? They look way better, bro. Not gonna lie. Like, they look smoked because they're already dark. Like, they already came a little bit tinted, you feel me? They already came a little bit tinted. That's mod number 2, y'all. This is mod number 2. We just changed the side markers. You can say they look sick, bro. They look sick.
Wait a minute.
But I know this is the moment y'all been waiting for. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lights on though. Lights are on. I'm gonna cover y'all up. Hold on. I'm gonna cover y'all up. Oh, this shit hard. I'm gonna cover y'all up. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Nah, that bitch hard. That bitch hard. I can't cap. I can't cap. That bitch clean. Even in the light, you can kind of see them. Even in the light, they bright as hell. But wait till it's dark though. Later on, bro, and I might got a surprise for y'all too. And I might have a surprise for y'all too. I might be popping outside tonight. I really need some tires though, you feel me? Y'all seen my tires, they pretty bad. But I might have a surprise, I might pop out tonight. Get y'all some content, man. So y'all stay tuned for that video too as well. But yeah, man, they look fucking sick, bro. I'm in love. I'm in love. We just keep leveling up. We're just gonna keep leveling up the car. Like, look at that. Oh, that bit done. Clear y'all up real quick. Oh, that bit done. That bitch done. That bitch is done. I'm not gonna cap game. That bitch is done. Let me know what y'all think, man. The Mobile second mod. White LEDs. White LEDs. Y'all let me know. Let me know what y'all think. That's really gonna wrap up the video though, man. I gave y'all an install tutorial. I showed y'all the nicks and knacks. Only thing that I really didn't like about the installation process, the fender wheel on the rear, you're gonna have to yank your bumper out. That's the only thing I don't really like. You're gonna have to pull your bumper out of place. But other than that, man, for the most part, man, it was a pretty gravy install for the most part. It's a pretty gravy install for the most part, man. Y'all didn't see us really struggle much. I didn't see us struggle much. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I feel like they fired. It gives me a nice little touch. It added a nice little touch to the car, bro. She's sick. I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all be on the lookout though, man. Might have a surprise later on tonight, man. We might pop out. Might pop out and get y'all a video. But yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support, man. Y'all keep showing love. We finna hit 1,000 subs. We grinding for that, man. We shooting for that. Gonna be a major milestone for me as far as this, because I did promise that I was gonna be consistent on YouTube, whether I bring out 1 video a week or 2 videos a week. But I made a promise. I was like, I'm gonna hit 1,000. I just gotta stay consistent, and that's what I've been trying to do for y'all, man. So y'all keep liking the video, keep showing love to your boy. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, join the family. Let's grind together, let's grow together, and let's make this jump happen, man. Keep following the build, keep showing love. Without further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later.
Okay, bye.